Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 7 of Literature Reader. The name of the chapter is The Flight of Icarus. This story relates to the Greek mythology, and in the story, we will see how a man tried to fly in the sky by making wings. So, we'll start with the story. A long time ago, in ancient Greece, Daedalus, a great engineer and an inventor, and his son Icarus were imprisoned by the king of Crete on an island. It's a story of the long time ago where in the ancient Greece, the place here is the Greece of ancient times, where there was a person whose name was Daedalus. Daedalus was an engineer and he was an inventor, and he was having a son whose name was Icarus. They both were kept in a place where one cannot run away. Means, for example, jail of today's time. That is when a person gets into jail, that is known as imprisonment. And both of them, Daedalus and his son Icarus, they both were imprisoned by the king of Crete on an island. By the king of Crete. Crete is an island of Greece. So they both were imprisoned on an island by the king of Crete, and they were not free, and they were said they were placed in a labyrinth. Labyrinth is a place that is having many paths in a single way, and one cannot find its way to get out of that. जैसे हिंदी में it is known as भूल भुलैया. Labyrinth is the भूल भुलैया that has many ways, and we are unable to find our way out from that. And that labyrinth was designed by Daedalus himself, and nobody was able to escape from that labyrinth. Now, Daedalus, he was saying to Icarus, his son, that I long for freedom, that mujhe freedom chahiye, I desire for freedom, but we will remain prisoners in the place, and we are unable to go out of this labyrinth on foot. We are unable to go out of this labyrinth on foot because this labyrinth is very big, and we are unable to walk through it, and also it is made on an island, so there is sea all on all the other sides, so we are unable to go on our foot outside. The king has ordered Icarus, the son of the inventor, he was informing his father. He informed his father that the king who has given him the imprisonment, the king has ordered everyone that we cannot escape, so that we cannot escape the island. So everyone should check the ships before they leave the port. Everyone should check the ships, so that there is no ship available for us to leave to escape the island. The king of Crete, he was keeping a strict watch on both of them, and they were unable to escape. Either they cannot escape either by the land or by the sea. They were unable to escape from both the sides. Father, will we remain prisoners forever here? Asked a curious Icarus. Curious here means he wanted to know everything. So Icarus asked his father that will we have to stay here forever, for the whole of our life? So the father said, let's not lose hope. We will think of something. Then Daedalus looked up in the sky, and he saw birds were flying in the sky. And when he saw the birds were flying in the sky, he got an idea from that. He said, son, look at the birds. The birds are flying freely in the sky. Let's also try to make wings for ourselves, and we will fly out of this place, and we will get our freedom if we design the wings for us. Then Icarus asked, how can I help, father? Tell me. Daedalus thought about how they can design the wings, and he said, bring all the bird feathers you find from here and there, get them to me, and we will use them so that to make our wings for us. Icarus collected so many feathers, like in thousands of feathers he collected, and he gave it to his father, and his father started making the wings. What he did firstly, his father Daedalus, he made a frame that is made of wood, and he shaped it like a wing of a large bird. He created a large wing that was made of wood. Then in that wood he poured the melted wax. He took the candles, he melted the candles, and then he put that melted wax into that wooden frame, and on that wax he placed all the feathers that his son has brought him. Then he allowed the wax to cool down and to become solid so that all the feathers could adjust themselves on the wax properly. Once all things were done, he attached the wings to his shoulders and he tried it. And then he told his son, "Look, the wind is trying to blow me up, to lift me up in the air," as the wind was blowing. And he is saying that the wings are working and I am trying to lift myself up into the air. The wings are working, and now I will make a pair for you, just like the same. After making the first pair, he decided to work on the second pair so that he can make a same pair for his son as well. And he was very sure that both of them, they will be escaping from labyrinth using that wings, and he finished making the another pair of wings. Once both of them were ready to fly out of the labyrinth, before going out of the labyrinth, before flying out of the labyrinth, father warned the son that I have an important advice to tell you. The advice was, if you fly too low, the spray from the ocean waves will make you wet, will make your wings wet and heavy. Spray from the ocean means the water vapors from the ocean, they will stick to your wings and they will make your wings heavy, and you will not be able to fly higher. And if you fly too high, the heat of sun, that will melt the wax, and if the wax melts, you will fall down and your feathers will fall down, that will not be able to hold you properly. So you have to stay near me so that you will be safe. Icarus assured him, assured means उसको पक्का किया कि don't worry, I will fly in the, once I will fly in the sky, once I'll start flying in the sky, no one will be able to stop me from flying. He was so proud, he was so assured that if I started flying in the sky, no one would be able to stop me from flying. Daedalus was a little worried. Why he was worried? Because his son was boasting. His son was very proud that he could fly high in the sky. But he said he was worried, and he said to his son, "Careful, son, don't be too proud, because we are unable to predict what will happen next. So don't be proud and be near me." So Daedalus and Icarus, both of them, they flapped their wings and they were up in the sky. They were flying up in the sky. Daedalus looked back from his shoulder. He glanced over his shoulder. Glanced over मतलब उसने पीछे मुड़ के देखा अपने shoulder से, and he saw Icarus was following. He was close to him. Icarus was feeling very joyful, he was feeling very happy, and he was thinking that I am feeling in the sky just like a bird, and I am sure I will fly higher than the birds. He was feeling proud that he would be able to fly higher than the birds, and nothing can be able to stop me from flying, and I will leave the clouds behind. मैं clouds को भी पीछे छोड़ जाऊंगा, clouds को नीचे छोड़ दूंगा, and I will fly the highest, and I will reach the sun. He was thinking all these things to himself. Daedalus realized, his father realized that his son was very much excited and he would forget his warning. So he saw up soared the boy. The boy was rising quickly in the air through the clouds, and then above them. He was too proud, and he forgot about his father's warning that if he fly too high, the wax would melt and he will fall down. He forgot all the things, and he was flying so high in his pride and excitement. When Daedalus saw that sun has moved near the sun, he was worried, and he called, "Icarus, my son, come back. The sun will melt your wax. Come back." He was crying loudly, but Icarus was very far away. He was unable to hear his father's voice, and suddenly he remembered his father's warning, but it was very late, and the wax started melting. Wax that was holding his wings, it started melting with the heat of the sun, and the feathers started to come away from the frame. The feathers started to get away from that wooden frame, and he was thinking, he became sad, and he was thinking that he should have remembered his father's warning that he should not go near the sun. Faster and faster, he was falling towards the sea. Why? Because all the wax melted and the feathers, wax was holding the feathers, feathers were scattering, feathers इधर उधर गिरने लग गए. तो fastly he started falling towards the sea, and his and all the feathers from the wings, they were spreading in the different directions around the sea, and there was nothing that his father could do. There was no thing that his father was able to do for his son. So this was the chapter, and in the chapter what we have learned? We have learned from the chapter that need is the mother of invention. What does it mean? मतलब जब हमें किसी चीज की requirement होती है, only then we are able to make it for ourselves. For as we have seen in the story that the father and son, they were in need to escape from the prison, so they tried to create the wings for them, and they succeeded also. This tells us that imagination and hard work pays a lot, and it is very important to get success in life. Secondly, we have also learned that we should obey our parents, and we must remember whatever advice or whatever things our parents say to us, because they say everything for our well-being. They want us to remain good and healthy. That is why they say everything to us. They give advices to us. So you should also remember your parents' advices, and you should also obey your parents' advices and whatever they say to you. Be a good person, be a good child, and respect your elders and parents. So this was the story. Now we will have a look at the exercises and the question and answers. Answer the following questions. Who was Daedalus? Where were he and his son imprisoned, and by whom? You have to tell about Daedalus and the place where they were imprisoned and who imprisoned them. Why could they not escape on foot? You have to give the reason. How did Icarus help his father? What did Icarus do to help his father? What was the warning that Icarus got? What warning did Icarus' father gave to him? Second part is read the sentences and answer the questions. See, there are some sentences given. You have to read the sentence, and then you have to check these sentences said to who, by whom, what does that mean. All these questions are given. You have to understand the sentence, and then you have to answer the question. C part is think and answer. Think and answer part has two questions. You have to understand the question. Let me tell you. Why do you think Daedalus warned his son about flying too high or too low? What according to you was the reason that Daedalus warned his son that he should not fly too high or too low? Why do you think he gave the warning? What did you learn from the story of Icarus? What have you learned from the story? You have to tell this. So this was all about the chapter, dear students. I hope you have enjoyed the story, and I hope you have understood it well. Now try to attempt the question and answers on your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.